Have you ever noticed how your shadow follows you, stretching and shrinking, but never quite leaving your side? It feels like a real thing, but it's not. A shadow is actually an absence, an area where light has been blocked. It's a hole in the light, and it's powerful proof of one of physics' simplest rules: light travels in straight lines. To create this hole, you just need three ingredients. First, a light source, like the sun or a lamp. Second, an object to get in the way. And third, a surface, like the ground, for the shadow to fall upon. Because light can't bend around the object, it leaves a dark patch behind it. But why do some shadows look so crisp, while others are just a faint smudge? It all depends on the object's material. If an object is opaque, like a brick or your own body, it blocks all light, creating a dark, well-defined shadow. If it's translucent, like tissue paper or frosted glass, it lets some light sneak through, but scatters it, resulting in a fuzzy, faint shadow. And if an object is transparent, think clear glass or clean water, light passes straight through, creating almost no shadow at all. Now look closely at a really good shadow. You'll notice it isn't uniformly dark. The deep black center is called the umbra. That's where the light is completely blocked. The lighter, fuzzier edges are the penumbra, where some light rays manage to creep around the object's edge. Scientists use these exact same terms to describe the massive shadow of the moon during a solar eclipse. So the next time you see your shadow, remember you're not just seeing darkness, you're seeing the straight path of light being interrupted, a story told by the simple absence of a beam.